Hello everyone and welcome to Healthy and Happy with Asi Efras. I have a fantastic episode for you. We'll be making a DIY all natural organic toothpaste with everything that's good for you and nothing that is not. So to make our super easy homemade toothpaste, we'll be needing only 3 ingredients. Here we have a baking soda and we'll be needing about 4 tablespoons of baking soda. We have coconut oil, melted coconut oil, and I'm using this organic virgin coconut oil, cold pressed, unrefined, because we want only best ingredients and cleanest ingredients in our toothpaste. We'll be also using organic essential oil, peppermint oil, and we'll be needing maybe 10 to 15 drops of that. This recipe is super easy. We'll be combining our ingredients in this bowl, and let's measure 4 tablespoons of baking soda. So we just measured 4 tablespoons of baking soda, and let's measure 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. I just melted it a few minutes ago in double bath. All right. And we're placing it into our baking soda. Wonderful. And also we are going to include 10 to 15 drops of essential oil. Here we have peppermint oil. 12 is enough. Now I can feel the aroma, this amazing aroma of peppermint oil. And all we need to do is to mix all ingredients together. Coconut oil has amazing antifungal, antibacterial, anti-inflammatory properties, and baking soda is also very good for you. It helps to maintain a healthy pH of your mouth. Our bodies actually produce small amount of baking soda, so it's very natural, native to your bodies. All right, and now when our mixture is done, we are placing it in a jar. And it will solidify. You can put it in the refrigerator if you want it to solidify quickly, but it will also solidify just by itself in a few hours. I've been using it for a year now, and my teeth have never been healthier or whiter. And I'm a YouTuber, so I really care about not just my health but also my appearance. And I've been very happy. I also saved a lot of money because this toothpaste is way less expensive than commercial one. All right, so now after a few minutes in the refrigerator, our toothpaste had solidified, and this is how it will look most of the time. I live in New York, and that's how it looks for me. And this is about the amount that I used brushing every day for 6 months. So it's very economical. And you can use your toothbrush to scoop a little bit of toothpaste just like that, or you can use any type of utensils like a little spoon to apply your toothpaste to your brush. So I hope you like this recipe, consisting only of 2 active and 1 additional ingredient: baking soda, virgin coconut oil, and essential peppermint oil just for the flavor. Enjoy and stay healthy and happy. And if you find this content useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to see more videos from Healthy and Happy. I'm Asi Efras. Thank you so much for watching.